If your GMC Acadia has absolutely no power and won't even try to crank, you're likely dealing with a complete electrical circuit break. Statistically, over 85% of total power loss incidents are caused by simple battery discharge or terminal corrosion. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where the power is getting blocked. Start by checking the battery in the rear floorboard for loose terminals or a blown mega fuse that kills all current. If the battery is good, common culprits include a parasitic drain or a loose ground strap near the engine block. Try jumping the car from the underhood posts. If the dash lights come back, you definitely have a battery or charging issue. If a jump start does nothing, you are likely looking at a blown main fuse or a failed ignition switch. Most fixes are affordable, like the $25 mega fuse, but a new alternator can reach $450. Use a multimeter to verify the battery has at least 12.6 volts for a full charge before assuming the battery is good. You only need basic tools like a 10mm wrench and a wire brush to solve most of these connection issues. Remember, even a small amount of corrosion can stop the high current needed for your Acadia to crank. Check those floorboard batteries and fuses first. Subscribe for more troubleshooting playbooks to keep your GMC on the road.